I don't know what color is.
Purple.
Purple. No, now I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Chloe.
Chloe.
Uh-oh.
What movie's Chloe off of?
A Secret Life of Pets.
Secret Life of Pets. Cool.
What is,
I don't know what. Alright, do you know what color that is?
no,
It's green.
green. Let's open it.
Okay.
Let's see what pup we got.
I don't know. It might not be a pup.
I do not. It's Captain Bounty.
It's Captain Barnacles from Octonauts.
This is blue.
Oh, yeah, you know that color. Good. Is that your favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm his brother, by the way.
Winnie the Pooh.
Does mommy like Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Alright, what's that color?
This is purple.
Actually, I think, no, that's pink.
Pink. Let's
Yeah.
open it. It's gonna open it. It's so
Here,
bad.
finish getting off the Play-Doh.
Okay.
Uh-oh. There we go. What's in it?
It's so wow.
What movie's that from?
My Secret Life of Pets also.
Yeah.
Boing boing.
So tell them who all we got.
We. I'm on my business.
Okay. Alright, here, I help you.
We won't dance.
Alright, tell them who everybody is. Who's that?
That's so bow, and that's Winnie the Pooh, and that's Captain Bounce, and that's Kishy.
No, not Gidget, it's Chloe.
Chloe. Come behind him again.
And who are y'all?
Oh, I'm Hudson. I'm Camden. I'm Hudson's older brother.
No, I'm Hudson.
Okay. Say bye, people.
Bye, people.
Bye, YouTube. Subscribe.